since none of this stuff can fit in a Miata, we've got a Z, which actually isn't much bigger.
It's for sale!
Yeah, if you want to buy it, you can. So, if you haven't figured it out yet, by the title and what we were getting at the store, we are putting new flooring in the shop of the new, the office of the new shop. So, it's gonna be a fun day. Gonna try to make this office look awesome. Okay, Pasha. People at Menards don't like us. Not at all. Fuck Trump. What? Why? Ooh, it's toasty in here. So we're gonna go ahead and rip up this disgusting old carpet. You can actually see like the tape lines. I think that's how it's held down. But we're gonna rip it up and clean up the floor and then start laying down the vinyl flooring. It's not that hard, but it's kind of a big space, so it might take a while. As you guys saw, we were going to do a garage floor epoxy back here, but it's too cold, so we can't do that. So we're starting with the office. Make this place look nice first. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started, I guess.
Went to get his vacuum cleaner. Once he's back, we're gonna vacuum it all and do the vinyl stuff. So that should be fun. Jesus Christ, that's so awkward. I can't do it on people's cameras. Ready?
Oh, that was pretty cool. Damn it. Ah, it's done. It's done. It looks really awesome. Huge shout out to Pasha for the help. Oh
sorry,
no,
guys.
he's gonna interrupt my vlogging. Oh gosh. The floor is kind of dirty. We're gonna clean it, but we're not supposed to clean it until 3 days after we put it down. So we'll wait a little bit, then we'll clean it. But it looks really awesome. Just needs some furniture, which we're gonna do tomorrow or the next day whenever I get a U-Haul for the bus. Gonna be sick.
Yeah, what he said.
Go check out Pasha's channel. What is it?
Just Pasha.
Oh, just Pasha?
Just like 2 words. Just
Space?
Pasha.
Just space Pasha?
Yeah, just space Pasha.
Okay.
Well, there's no space as a word, but there's like...
There's the letter space.
Yeah.
The next thing we're gonna do, since we don't have a garbage in here, we're gonna run this to the dumpster, which is right down the road, so. That's all we're doing for today here. Now I'm gonna go to the old shithole shop and start packing. So that's not fun, but we gotta do it. So let's go get some boxes and start packing. And then after we pack, we get a U-Haul, start moving, then getting new furniture, and happy. Hopefully we can do all that by March 1st. Oh, it looks so good! 200 bucks, that's all it cost. So worth it. 200 bucks in like not even that much time. Like a couple hours.
Like a couple hours only.
Yeah.
If you guys
Solid.
are looking for a way to do the floorings cheap and pretty dang looking good.
It looks, yeah, good looking. Yes, Russian.
English, I'm learning.
No, it looks good. I just hope it lasts. So we'll see. I don't really care. I mean, it's easy to replace too. Gotta say, I'm pretty pumped to start using this thing again to tow all our stuff around. I'm excited, old Bussy. But damn, does this place feel like? Oh, it's just so bad. Look at it. It's so cluttered and crap. We got a lot of stuff to bring to just the dump. Pretty much the only thing that we're keeping in here, everything that's on the shelf. I think I'm gonna keep this light, the lamp. I'm gonna make it into a cool, actually working lamp or something. I don't know, but we got a lot of work to do. This is honestly like super overwhelming for me. I don't really have that much stuff, but just moving it all, it's a lot of work. Moving is always more work than you expect it to be. I should be able to fit it all in one U-Haul in one go. My question is how I'm gonna get the lift over there. I think if I get a 12-foot U-Haul, it should fit. We'll see. I'm gonna start off by unloading these shelves. I'm not keeping these shelves. I'm giving these shelves to Mike. I'm getting some cabinets and some metal shelves because these are kind of wood and they kind of suck. So I guess I'm gonna start loading that up. We're pretty much almost done. Thanks, Christian. Boxes are packed, things are out. We're getting a little bit closer. We're gonna start loading the bus with some things. And then tomorrow, we're gonna start moving them to the new shop. Pretty much the rest of this stuff is either my friend's, which he is moving out, his own stuff, and then the rest of my stuff I need a trailer for, which we are getting tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a long day, I'm tired, but we made the office of the new shop look awesome, and we started packing up the old shop. So I'm happy. Tomorrow we're gonna move everything out. Then the next day we're gonna build an exhaust for the RX-7, move more stuff out, then buy some cool stuff for the new shop, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, give it a dislike, and tell me how I can improve my videos. If you want to support the channel a little bit more than just watching the videos, you guys can check out some merch, and you can check out my Patreon if you want to. I also really need a haircut, but whatever. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. So, yeah, goodbye, and peace out.